I'm at B&D Authentic Vietnamese Cuisine. Let's go on a food adventure. All right, so this restaurant is new, formerly Queen's Cafe, and at the time of this filming, it's a relatively new restaurant. They do Vietnamese stuff like, pho and vermicelli and rice, but they also have some unique dishes. So they have like a braised duck noodle and like a chicken rice. So I'm gonna get the crispy chicken rice with chicken rice, add a spring roll, and I got an orange iced tea. So. That's really good. That's really good. First impression, it smells amazing. The chicken, oh. I'm gonna try some of that rice. Just plain. Alright, I'm gonna try some of that chicken now. That's super yummy. Comes with a nice egg. Crispy edges. Try the nuoc mom. That's good. And mini spring rolls. B&D Cuisine actually really impressed me. The chicken was juicy and crispy. It comes with nuoc mam and rice and then a runny egg. But what really was memorable was the salad. It comes with your basic tomato and cucumber, but then there was like mint leaf, pepper, some pickled veg, some lettuce, some other stuff going on in there. It added a nice layered sort of variation to the meal because every bite of salad was a little bit different. The mini spring roll was too small. Honestly, it's like a bite. It's like a little tiny dinky little thing. The orange iced tea was really refreshing and tasty. I really like that. And the cassava cake was okay. I just wanted to try something new, and it wasn't for me, but they also have banana cake. Honestly, I was having dinner later with a friend, so I couldn't overdo this meal, but I would definitely go back. They have coconut cakes, they have crispy chicken wings. They have a lot to choose from, a really large menu, as well as the traditional Vietnamese restaurant offering, so definitely would return.